Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine. So today I have a Boxycharm unboxing for you. It is for the month of May. If you're not familiar with Boxycharm, it is $20 a month and you get 5 full-size products. And we're just gonna dive into like the biggest thing that I see in my box. It's the Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser, and that's what the box looks like. Kind of like an oil slick design to it, and the tube has the same design. And it says that gentle but make it bubbly, this daily conditioning gel cleanser gently but effectively cleanses skin and dissolves makeup. Oat amino acids condition, while the vegan formula with apple extract, vitamin E, and green tea extract bubbles up to deep clean and remove impurities. It's soap, fragrance, and SLS free, and it's for all skin types. So I am looking forward to giving this a try. The next thing that I see is a Ciate Eye Lustre Cream Shadow. And I haven't gotten to try much from Ciate London. And ooh, this is pretty. It's like a purple rose with like rose gold glitter. Give you a swatch. It looks really pretty. Okay. Oh, and we'll also go over prices. So that Glamglow one has a retail value of $28, and then this Ciate London cream eyeshadow is $22. Okay, so the next thing in the box is a Dose of Colors liquid matte lipstick in the shade Taupe Chic. And I actually haven't tried any of their matte liquid lipsticks. I've only tried their lip gloss, and I do love those. And let's give this one a swatch. Ooh, this is bright. Right. So it is a really pretty color. I could see myself using this like in the summer. And the retail value for that one is $18. Then we'll move on to something that has actually been on my to-buy list, and I'm glad that I got it in my box. It's from Alamar Cosmetics. It is the Colorette Blush Trio, and I got the shade Medium Tan. And ooh, these are so pretty. So they come with a mirror, and it's 3 different shades. And I can see myself getting a lot of use out of these. These are just like perfect shades for me. And the retail value for this one is $22. And oh, the last thing that we have is a Mellow Brow Definer. I have not heard of that brand before. Oh, it's in the shade Taupe. So actually I'm not even going to open this. I'm just going to give it away because it's going to be too light for my eyebrows. So that's weird. So Boxycharm, they did take into account that I do have medium to tan skin, but then they send me something that wouldn't work for my hair color. So the total retail value for the box, for me at least, is $90 because I did not include that brow product. That's not going to work for my hair color. I mean, even without including that product, it is still a good value. I still got my money's worth, and I am happy with the box. I will be leaving a link down below. That way you can subscribe as well. And don't forget to give me a like. And if you're already subscribed to Boxycharm, let me know what you got in your box. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.